So a couple of weeks ago, we made a video talking about Facebook. It said $380 end of the year. I wanted to do a little bit of update today because the market has really been taking a hit and Facebook has actually pulled back from $355 when we were initially talking about it down to this major support line here at about $326. So what I want to go over in this video is the support and resistance. If I still think that we're going to see 380 by the end of the year, if I would be buying, and more. So hit the like button, guys, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. These videos are time sensitive, and go and check out our Discord community. The link is in the description. It is completely free. You get access to some free trades every once in a while. You get to live stream with me every single Sunday. You get to see what my long-term investments are, as well as our free courses and our free technical analysis and options bot. Now, looking at Facebook and looking at how this thing is setting up, we initially talked about on this weekly time frame, this major support trend line that we had riding up here, basically from the pullback in March, or the crash, I should say, in March, all the way up until where we are right now. And looking at this weekly chart as we are right now, I'm really not worried about how Facebook is looking. I don't know why I said it that way, but how Facebook is looking. Looking at the lagging indicators, at this point, the RSI is pointing down, which is not the best. The MACD histogram did make a lower low, and the OBV is pointing down as well, but we still have 3 or 4, what's today? Tuesday, 3 more days left within the market to, create this weekly candle to push back up and erase all these negative signs that we see. Not saying that's going to happen, but it is something to think about. Now, looking at this daily chart here, you can see that at this point, we are down on this 200-day SMA, and every single time that we have pulled back down to this 200-day SMA since that massive fade, and even beforehand, we have bounced here. So, in my opinion, the chances of Facebook cratering and breaking through this 200-day SMA and dropping down to 280 are very low. Doesn't mean it can't happen, right? Just because the chances or the probability of something happening is low doesn't mean it can't happen, which is why we have to use proper risk management. But in this standpoint, I do think that Facebook will bounce here, and I do think that Facebook will hold. So ultimately, do I think we're going to see Facebook at $380 by the end of the year? No. I don't really think we're going to see that anymore. Unfortunately, one of the things that we were talking about on this channel, and I just made a video on it not too long ago, I actually think it was yesterday, when we were going over the market in general, we were talking about the potential pullback in Q1 2022, basically, a correction that we've been talking about for a while now happening. And I still think that will happen, but I was expecting December to just continue to push up, continue to run, which can still happen, but continue to run. I thought maybe we'd see Facebook up around all-time highs. Then we'd see the whole market pull back. I still believe that we're going to have a good December. We are having a shaky beginning of this month, but I still think that we're going to have a good December, kind of like we saw, in the end of September. I'm sorry, the end of October going to the beginning of November is pretty shaky. Then the rest of November is very good. I think we're going to see the same thing here. I do think we're going to bounce, but I think we probably will end the year probably between 360 and 370, not quite 380 like I really want, but still a ton of profit here, a lot of meat on the bone, a great place to enter. Set your stop loss down here around 310, good inverted head and shoulders. And overall, I think that we are looking really, really good here. I just think that it's not going to happen as fast as we had initially anticipated, but that's fine. That's how trading goes, and that's how the market is. So overall, if you're somebody who is looking to get into a position for the next month, I really do like this. I really like this setup, and it's something that I am currently in as of right now. So guys, thanks for all the support. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, go ahead and check out the Discord link down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.